Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And I'm still busy on the BMW F800GS. Really nice bike. And today we're gonna have fun because we're gonna change the spark plugs. That's always great to do. So I would say come on over and we start. First thing we're gonna do is take the buddy seat off. Easy. Put it carefully away. We got here 4 screws. Torx 25. Okay, carefully. There are also plastic washers. Don't lose them. Over there is also my special ratchet. Like this. I like this. Not good. Okay. Then on this side, another one too. Guys, I love this ratchet. It's so... Yes. Take this one off. Easy. Disconnect this one. Is that easy? Well, normally it should be. Oh. This one off. Carefully put it away. Of course, I mark everything. I loosen. Hop. Yes. Have a look at this here. Okay. Okay. But let's move on. Okay, this one needs to come off too. Torx 25. I don't know why, but until now, none of these balls are running smoothly. Don't know why that is. But we're gonna place them back in with a tiny bit of grease. Okay. Then on the other side, we're gonna do the same. Over here one. Okay. Then just slide it out. Put it carefully away. Up. Then over here. Turn this one a bit loose. Okay. Yep. And then, yes, I think, yep, short one. Okay. On the inner side here is also a Torx. I see it over here. They put it back with an electric machine, so you don't have the feeling cross-threading it. That's why I always say actually use hand tools, especially for the first few threads. Then you know it went in the right way. What it is? No, it's just rusted. Now, for that I always use a tiny bit of grease. You know me. Over here is another. So, 25 needs shorter one. On this side. Doesn't run. I don't know why, but most of the balls I have until now don't run smoothly. None of them. Yep. I see white powdery stuff. Maybe it's Loctite. BMW loves the Loctite, huh? Now, then, okay. Have a look over here. We have to, there must be a connector over here. Here is a tie wrap. Okay. Go with the wind. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Oops. Yes. This one too. Up. Yes. Then over here I feel een old klembandje. Tie wrap. Yes. Now let's get you hopefully a bit closer so you can have a look. See, over there. Is a connector. I'm gonna loosen that one. Sure. Can't see it, but trust me, I know what I'm doing. Yes. Then we can carefully remove this one. And ladies and gentlemen, we've got him. Okay, put it carefully away. I think we'll put it over here. Guys, we also have to take out the battery. There is a lot of stuff over here. When you disconnect the battery, always disconnect the negative first. There's this one. Okay. Guys. Wow. This is terrible. But old mechanic is gonna solve that. Actually, I'm sure we're gonna shorten this. It's way too long. I guess on this side it's the same. See? If you want to have problems, do it like this. In time it's gonna corrode. It's not a good connection, not by far. But yeah, sometimes. Now, come on. Okay. Then is this one, the bracket has to come off too. And there are two Torx bolts. And that's Torx 30. This one too. Okay. Then we can put this bracket out of the way. And now we can lift out the battery. And of course I'm gonna put it on my charger. Guys, there is a lot of dust and sand over here, so I'm gonna clean that first. Use my vacuum cleaner. Now guys, we have to disconnect this connector from the changeover valve. That's this one. Okay, we're gonna mark it, of course, with the yellow tie wrap. Hop. Then we take off the connector of the temperature sensor. That's this one. Hop. We also gonna mark it. Then we can put this cable out of the way, out of here, and then we take off the hose from the adapter, as they call it. Normally up. Okay. Then over here are two balls. We have to get those out too. With the washer, don't forget it, it's a big washer. I'm gonna show you in a moment. It's this bolt with that washer. Okay, up. On this side, same bolt. Yes. Over there are two nuts. Those are 8, socket of 8. It's a nut with a washer attached to it. Oh, this one too. Got this cable tied too. Carefully. Sure, only pinch. Cut cable tie. Okay. Come on, guys. Okay. Now we can take this whole assembly off. Something is guys. On this side there is also a connector with 4 wires. Maybe you can, yeah, you can just see it. Mark it. And a hose and another hose. And then, ladies and gentlemen, do we got him? No, still somewhere. Ah, the there is another hose. I'm gonna show you in a moment. First, loosen this clamp. BMW. Wonderful, wonderful. Yes. It's a clamp. Holy shit. Yes. No. I think they thought that it should hold the weight of an elephant. Yes. We got it off. Is it easy? Mwah. Yes. It was stuck over here. Mark it. So, and those. So easy to forget. A hose or a connector. And now, yeah, you also can forget it, but not right away, I think. So, nothing can drop in there. This one over here. So, yes.